Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where innovation meets imagination and the future is always one tap away. Today, we're stepping beyond smartwatches and phones into something truly next-gen technology you wear on your face. Say hello to the Xiaomi Smart Glasses, a sleek, intelligent piece of gear that could just redefine how we see the world literally. Imagine getting real-time translations, navigation, and notifications, all without touching your phone. Sounds like sci-fi? Well, not anymore. Xiaomi's smart glasses are a bold move into wearable intelligence, but they're not shouting for attention. In fact, their genius lies in their subtlety. Unbox them, and you're greeted with a clean, prim presentation. The glasses themselves, a magnetic charging dock, USB-C cable, microfiber cloth, and protective case. Everything feels streamlined, purposeful, and ready to plug into your life. At just 51 grams, these glasses balance power and portability beautifully. Built with a mix of plastic and aluminum magnesium alloy, they feel feather-light yet sturdy enough for everyday wear. The frames look surprisingly normal minimalist with a modern touch. Slightly thicker arms discreetly house the tech. From micro speakers to a front-facing camera and a high-brightness micro-LED display, embedded seamlessly into the lens. Speaking of that, display's the showstopper. Xiaomi uses an optical waveguide system powered by a tiny micro-LED with up to 2 million nits at the source. What that means for you? Crystal clear overlays even in blazing daylight. The monochrome display floats naturally in your peripheral vision, delivering bite-sized info like navigation cues, incoming calls, or live translations. Inside, these glasses pack a quad-core ARM chip running Xiaomi's own wearable optimized OS, with onboard Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, a 5MP camera, and a surprisingly capable battery. This isn't a prototype, it's a polished, functional product. You get 5 to 7 hours of mixed use time, depending on how display-heavy your sessions are. And yes, the magnetic dock charges it fully in just over an hour. The real-time translation is one of the smartest features we've tested on any wearable. Look at foreign text, and it overlays a live translation right on your lens. Whether you're in Tokyo, Paris, or Dubai, reading signs, menus, or instructions is instant and intuitive. Sure, it needs good lighting and steady positioning, but for travelers or global professionals, this is game-changing. Then there's navigation. When connected to your phone, Xiaomi Smart Glasses show turn-by-turn directions that float in your vision. Whether you're biking, walking, or exploring a new city, your map is always visible without pulling out your phone. It's subtle, smart, and incredibly useful for city life or travel. Call handling is also integrated. A swipe on the side panel lets you answer or reject calls. The open-ear speakers and directional microphone provide clear voice audio while keeping your audible. You're not cut off from the world, but you're connected in the smartest way possible. Voice commands are available through Zhao AI, Xiaomi's smart assistant. It's responsive and surprisingly useful. Ask for time, weather, translations, or take a quick photo, all hands-free. Notifications are handled with elegance. These glasses don't bombard you with alerts, they prioritize important ones. Messages, calls, and calendar reminders pop up discreetly, allowing you to stay in the moment without being distracted. It's tech that respects your attention. Battery life, while solid, does require a bit of mindfulness. Expect around 5 hours of real-world use, with light display interactions and calls. Heavier use, like translation or extended navigation, will cut that down. Thankfully, the glasses support ambient mode only, waking the display when needed to conserve power. Let's take it into real-world scenarios. On your commute, you'll appreciate navigation prompts that float effortlessly in your view. On vacation, you'll love translating foreign signs instantly. In work settings, the discrete notification system ensures you're always informed, without being the person glued to their phone. In short, these glasses slide right into your day, and you quickly forget you're wearing something so futuristic. Social etiquette is something Xiaomi handled tactfully. The 5MP camera has an indicator light that turns on when recording, making it clear to others and addressing privacy concerns. The design doesn't scream tech gadget, which helps it blend into everyday settings from cafes and co-working spaces to public transport. The directional audio is crisp. Although not meant for music lovers, it works best for notifications, voice messages, and short calls. There's minimal sound leakage, so people around you won't hear your notifications. Unless you're in a very quiet room. The companion app is your control center. Here, you can manage connected apps, adjust notification filters, calibrate the display, and review photos snapped with the glasses. The app is smooth, intuitive, and constantly updated, adding more integrations and improvements. There's also a feature we love: AI-powered photo recall. Take a picture of something you need to remember, like a recipe, a sign, a document, and later, ask the app to pull it up. It's like having a visual memory bank that actually understands what you want. Gestures are simple and responsive. Swipe forward or back to browse through alerts. Double tap to answer a call or launch translation. Long press to trigger voice commands. It doesn't take long before it becomes second nature, and everything flows without fuss. Some limitations are worth noting. There's no IP rating yet, so water resistance is not guaranteed. Don't wear these in the rain. Also, iPhone compatibility is limited. Android users, especially within Xiaomi's ecosystem, get the smoothest experience. And while the camera is handy, it's not designed for high-resolution media. It's functional, not artistic. From a style perspective, Xiaomi has nailed it. These glasses are stylish enough for everyday use. They're not flashy, not geeky, just subtly smart. Whether you're heading into a boardroom, riding a subway, or out for coffee, they blend in like regular specs. But make no mistake, underneath that minimalist frame is serious tech. This isn't a gimmick. The Xiaomi Smart Glasses are built for everyday life, making them one of the most well-rounded and accessible smart eyewear options in 2025. They don't try to replace your phone or dominate your attention. Instead, they enhance your day in quiet but powerful ways. Compared to others in the space, Ray-Ban Meta, Snap Spectacles, or Google Glass, Xiaomi takes the lead in balance. You get performance, style, and utility without compromising comfort or practicality. There's no social-first gimmickry or enterprise-only focus. Just a genuinely helpful tool. Looking ahead, the potential is massive. Xiaomi could push software updates with added features like AI reminders, live sports stats, context-aware overlays, or even AR light navigation in malls or airports. The hardware is future-ready, and if Xiaomi plays their cards right, they could dominate this space. So, who are these smart glasses for? The frequent traveler, the tech-forward professional, the student on campus, the urban explorer, the language learner, the commuter, anyone who wants lightweight, helpful information without breaking stride. If you're tired of your phone stealing your focus, these glasses put you back in control. They're not perfect, but they are incredibly exciting. Xiaomi has laid the foundation for smart eyewear that feels less like a prototype and more like a lifestyle device. With the right updates and continued development, they could very well become the smartwatch for your eyes. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Vibe. If this deep dive into the Xiaomi Smart Glasses gave you a glimpse into what's next, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our upcoming tech explorations. Whether it's smart glasses, AI PCs, drones, or the latest gaming beast, we cover it all, right here where tech meets lifestyle. This is Tech Vibe, and until next time, stay focused and stay future ready.